Ka Fourth State Higher Education Council SHEC kala pelong ya kajingalang banyak keren halo kajing siu ya kabai Pule ki Jaka Pule pat kumcuru jong ka sarkar jela nang ban la ban pelong ka we kajing siu jong baro ki Jaka Pule na kaliang menteri ula kubur ba ka don shisha kajing Shim dor he jong ki Katto Katne ki college wat ba ki yo kajing kersha na ka sarkar ong menteri ka tanat Pule puthi ura kham e sangma.
That discussion has also come up in the yesterday meeting in the state education council. Yes, this is true. This is true. Some of the colleges is really charging a huge fees, though they have been supported by the government. But whereas in the government also they are collecting very low fees also. So like we have got all the datas, and the state fees regulatory board we are looking into this, and we will fix from what you call there will be some uniformity. The state government is going to decide on this. We'll have a extensive exercise on this.